Hello friends, now we are going to start our first chapter, that is system of numeration. In very short, the system of numeration. The numeration system which we are using is decimal system. Okay, it contains 10 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have 10 digits. Okay, since we have 10 digits, that's why it's decimal numeration system. Now the number of digits are 10, that's why base of this numeration is 10. So base of the numeration is the number of digits used in that system of numeration. So here in decimal system there are 10 digits, so its base is 10. Similarly, we will have some other system of numeration, Roman numeral system, which we have already learnt in class 4 and 5, Roman numeral system. Here also we have some workout on Roman numeral system, and also we will have to understand about binary system, and also we have to learn about binary system. So binary system of numeration we will have to learn now. In binary system of numeration, we will have only two digits, that is one is 0 and another one is 1. So since we have two digits 1, 2, so its base will be 2. In binary system the base is 2. In decimal system the base is 10, which is we are using. Now in binary system there are only two digits, we are using only two digits, that 0 and 1, that's why its base is 2, since base is the number of digits used in a particular system of numeration. Okay. Similarly, we are having octal system of numeration where we will get the digits 8 digits and its base will be 8. Hexadecimal system of numeration where we will get 16 digits, and then in these digits some literal terms are also used, since we have the digits from 0 to 9 only. So if something more than 0 to 9, then two digits number we will take as a single digit, okay, by converting them to letters, converting them to alphabets. So we have hexadecimal system of numeration also. Okay, so basically we are going to learn here is binary system of numeration. Before that we are going to learn about Roman numeral system. So let's begin our class, Roman numeral system. Now in this Roman numbers, my dear, you have already learnt about Roman numbers in smaller classes like class 5, class 4, 5. Okay, let's see. Here we are having 1 is I and this is 1. Now we will repeat this one, I and I, this is 2, and then again continue 3 times, this I is repeated, I and I, then this is 3. So here I have only one digit, yet we have only one digit, that is I. So I denote 1, so 2I denote 2, 3 I's denote 3. So here similarly, now if we go for 4, then we will not make 4 sticks or 4I. In Roman numeration, the one of the rule is the maximum repetition of digit is 3, that's why 3 we can write as I, this is 3. Now 4. Now before learning 4, we must know about 5. This is 5. This V is 5. In this 5, when a smaller digit is placed the right side of this 5, then it will be added, and the smaller digit is placed in the left side, then it will be subtracted. That's why here this 4, how can I write this 4? This 4 how can I write? I can write 4, this is 5, and as I keep 1 is in the left side, it will be subtracted. I5 it is 4. Is it? Similarly, here it is V and it is I. Now V is 5 and this is I is 1. So 5 plus 1. If right side, the number, the digit will be added. So it becomes 6. Similarly, now 7. 1, 2, 7. Is it? So this is 7. Now 8. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 times maximum repetition. It's 3 times repeated. It is 8. So now this is 8. Now 9. Before going to learn 9, we should know 10. Is it? So this is 10. This is x is 10. X is 10. Now same rule, to get 9. If we place left side 1, then 10 minus 1, that will be 9. So here this is 9. That means it is 10 minus 1. This is 9. Okay. Now we have I have got 3 digits here, that is I, 5 and 10. I, 5 and 10. That so we have 3 digits here, I, V and X. I stands for 1, V stands for 5 and then X stands for 10. Okay. Similarly, if you go for 11, then we will place the right one, then it will be 11. Similarly 12, then X double I, that will be 12. Okay. Now other digits we are getting here is 50 is L. So L is 50. L is 50. Okay. Now if L is 50, then if I write suppose 40, then 40 I cannot write x because 4 times we cannot write. So how can I write 40? 40 we can write is 50 and left side 10, then 50 minus 10. If it would have been right side, then it would have been added, but since it is left side, that's why it is subtracted. Now this one is 50 minus 10. This becomes 40. Now if you write 49, how will write 49? 49 how can I write? 49. This 49 can I write is IL. Can I write is IL? That is 50 minus 1 is 49. No, I cannot write. I cannot write because the another rule is that left of L we cannot write a single digit number. Left side of L we must write 2 digit number. So our 49 will be, first we will write 40. 40 is XL. This is 40 and then 9 I will write, this is 9. So 49 is XLIX. So XLIX is 49. It is not IL. Okay. Similarly, now some other digits we will get. Then suppose 100. Now another digit 100. Now L is 50. Now 100 is what? C. 100 is written, C is 1. In Roman numeral 100 is written as C. Okay. Now similarly I can write 90. How it is? 9. I cannot write IC. For 90 I cannot write IC because we must put 2 digit number to the left of C also. So here we will have 90 is 100 minus 10, then it is XC is 90. XC is 90. If I write 98, then how will write 98? 98 is 90, that is XC and then 8. This is 8. So 98 you can write in this way. Now some much bigger number, that is 500 is D. 500 is D. I can write 500 as what? 500 is how? D. D is 500. C is 100 and D is 500. Is it? Now 549. How can I write 549? 549. How can I write 549? This is 500 and 49 is XLIX. Is it? DXLIX. That is 549. Similarly, if we go for 1000, this is the last digit which you are getting here is M. M is 1000. So we have in Roman numeral up to 1000 calculation only. Any number we can convert to thousands. will not have more than thousands here. 1000, 1000, 200,000, 1200,000, 50,000, 1,000. Like this we can represent a bigger Roman numeral. So here we have the letters. I is 1 and then V is 5 and X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits in Roman numerals. By using these 7 digits, we can express all the numbers. Okay. So now we are going to solve the problems from exercise 1.2. So the first question is, write the following Roman numerals in decimal system. Means these numbers are given in Roman numerals. Roman numerals are given, we will have to convert them to decimal system. So the first one, A is 1A is LX. So LX, since L is 50 and X is placed right side, so the X is 10, that will be added, so this becomes 60. Is it? Yes, yes. Similarly, if we do for D number, then D is XCIX, is it? Then XCIX is, you check, this is C, then C, then here X, we have XC is 90 and this one is 9, so this is 99. This one is, you check here now, this one is, actually we should understand like this, 100 minus 10, is it? 100 minus 10 and then plus this one is 10 minus 1, is it? Like this we should understand, 10 minus 1, is it? So how much will become? This is 90 plus 9, this is equal to 99. Just we apply the rule exactly. Okay, now next one is suppose your H. Suppose H. What is given in H? H, M and then I B, I B. What it becomes? I B. What it becomes? I B, 1000, 2000 and I B is 4. So this is 2004. This is 2004. Okay, check 2000 and then 4. You check like this. You can write by expressing. You can write it 1000 plus again 1000 and then plus this is 4. Okay, so directly I can write this one is 2004. Yes, yes. Now we have M number question, M. So here in this M number question, okay, in this M number question, the question is M, 3 M's we have, and then D, C, L, X, B. Am I right? You check M, D, C, L, X, B. This one, how can I write in Roman numerals? Check here, 1000, 1000, 1000. Okay, first 3000 we will write 1000, 1000, again 1000. Okay, now you check here D, C. D is 500. D is 500 and then this C is, you check, plus D is 500 and then C is 100 and L is 50, L is 50 and this one is 10 plus 5. So this is 10 plus 5, straight it is. So directly we have written, no complications here, although it is longer, but here no complications. So we have here 3,500, 665. So we will have here 3,665, 3,665. Is it? 3,665. Understood? This was very straight. Actually here no complications we had. All the numbers we are getting just by adding the numbers. Okay. Here 1G, suppose 1G. You check MCM. It is given MCM. How can I write this? MCM. You check here, M is 1000. Now this is 1000, but this one is minus 100. So 1000, not plus 100 and not plus 100 and plus 1000, not like this. Okay. So how it will be? M, this is M is 1000. Okay. Now we will plus add. Now smaller digit between two bigger digits. Then what we will do? First one is 1000, second one is plus this 1000, M is 1000 minus C is 100. Okay. So it becomes 1000 plus this one is 900. Okay. 1000 plus 900. So this one is 1900. Is it? This one is 1900. Okay. So the remaining questions you can try yourself from this question number 1. Now question number 2. So the question number 2, what is the question asked in question number 2? Here the question is, write in Roman numerals. Here the first one is the questions are given in Roman numerals. We have converted to the decimal numbers. Now here the numbers are given, decimal numbers are given, then we have to convert to Roman numerals. So the first word is 54. We have to convert to Roman numerals. We know that 54 means we have to be very sure 54 is 50 plus 4. So 50 is L and 4 is 2 digit, that's why you can write. So 54 is 50 plus 4, 54. Okay. Now next one is, suppose you have D 149, 100 plus 49. So 100 is C. XL is 40 and then 9 is 1x. So 149 is CXLIX. So 149 is CXLIX. Okay. Similarly, I it is 6179. So my dear, here we have to understand something new. Okay, 6000 till 3000 we will have no problem. Suppose to understand this one, one more example. Suppose one example, suppose 3045. If I want to write 3045 in Roman numerals, then how can I write? I can write 1000, that is M, another 1000, that is M, another 1000, that is also M. That means M 3000. 3000 now 45. Now how can I write 45? I can write 45 as this one is 40 and then this is 5, 45. I can write XLV. 45 is XLV. Now 45 will write XL, this one is V. So 3045 we can write as XLV. But my dear, you check here what you will write. 6000 we have. Here we have 6000. If more than 3000, if it is asked in the question, if more than 3000 is asked, then we will use bar for each thousand. more than up to 3000, okay, no problem, m we will write. But suppose 4000, 5000, 6000, then what we will do? We will just check 6, okay, then 1000, this bar we are giving here 6000. Now we are not writing 6 times because maximum repetition of a digit is only 3 times. That's why we will write 6 bar, that is 6000. Then next 179 you will have to write 6179. So this is 100. Then now we'll write 79. Now this one is 60 and this is 70, and then 19 is 9, that is 79. Okay, so more than 3000 if we have to write, then we will use bar. Okay, yes, don't forget this part. So this is important point which you have learned here now. Okay, next question is K we have, okay, 1 2 3, how many zeros we have? 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5, that is 1 lakh. So how can you write 1 lakh in Roman numeral? Check here, we will convert this one to 1000. So how many thousands we have here? That is important here. So we are having here 100,000. How many? 100 into 1000. Just to make you understand, I break it in twos, that is 100 into 1000. Then 100 we have C and 1000 is bar. Is it? So 1 lakh we can write as C bar, that is 1 lakh. Very interesting. Is it? Yes, yes. Now M, another one you check, M, a bit bigger question. 650, okay, then 752. You check here. Now 1000 you check. Now 650,000. We'll read this one in this form. In the one numeral we are having only thousands. So 650,752. This way we will study. And then in the same form we will write. Here how many thousands we have? 650,000. How will write 650? So D is 500. Okay. And then C is 100, that is 600, and then 50 is L. Okay, now this is 650. Now this 650,000 we have. So here 650,000 is bar. Now bar comes 650,000 and then 752. Now 752 in normal we will just write 752. So this D is 500, this 600, 700. Now we will write 52 is LII. Is it? So here 650,752 is DCL. This is 650. It has bar because this is 650,000. That's why next one is 752. So here we have 752, 752, 700, 500, C 100, 600, then 100, 700, and this LII is 52. So 752. So friends, now we are going to do question number 5. Question number 5, 1. Question number 5, what is given? The Roman numerals given. We will have to convert to the decimal, and after that we add, and that sum we convert to Roman numeral. Okay, that we can do. Question number 3 and 4, they are very simple questions. I have not done. You will have to do yourself. Okay. So here the first question is xii, that is 12 plus xix is 19, and then plus lxx is 50, 60, 70. So now we will convert this. This one is 12, okay, plus this one is 19, and plus, and this one is 50, 60, 70. This is 70. When we add these three, we will get 101. 101, how we can write in Roman numeral? 100 is C and 1 is I. So 101. Okay, this is your answer. Now if you check question number 3, what you will get? Question number 3, then MCML. The first one is MCML plus the second one is CMM. Second one is CMM, and the third one is LXXX. L and then XXX. Okay. Now we'll convert to decimal. This one is 1100. Is it? You check 1100. This is again 1000. So 1000, when there is a smaller digit between two larger digits, then that smaller digit will be subtracted from this right sided larger digit. So m minus 100, that will be 1000 minus 100, 1000 minus 100, and this will be added to m, that is 1000. That means this is 1000. You check, I will expand it, no problem. 1000 plus this is 1000 minus 100, 1000 minus 100, and then plus L is 50. So okay, this is okay, is okay. Plus next CMM. How can you write CMM? CMM is also 1900. Is it? How it is? This one is 1000. Okay, then minus 100. Sorry, 1000 minus 100, and then plus again 1000. Okay, yes, I have expanded. You could have done directly, but I have expanded. So this is CMM, and then plus this one is, you can write 50, 60, 70, 80. So this is 80, no problem. This one is directly you can write as 80. So this one is 1950. So 1950. Okay, and this one is 1900, 19, because this is 900 and this is 1000. So it is 1900 and plus 80. So we will get here how much? This one is 0 and then 3. Okay, and then this one is 9, 9, 18 and 1, 9, 99, 1 balance. Then this one is 1, 2 and 1, 3, 3930. 3930. When we add, then we will get 3930. Now convert this 3930 to numerals, to Roman numeral. Now convert this 3930 to a Roman numeral. So here first we have 3000. So 3000, I will write 3000 is M. How many thousands we have? 3000s. Now 900, is it? Now 930, we'll write 930. 900, how it is? 900 is 1000 minus here C, then this is 3000, then CM is what? 1000 minus 100, that is 900. 3000, now this is 900, is it? And then we will write what? 30. We will write 30. How will write 30? 30 is triple X 2030, is it? Yes. So now our answer is MMM, CM and XXX. This is your answer. Okay. Next is question number 6. What is asked in question number 6? Question number 6 is illustrate 5 rules of writing Roman numerals. The first rule is when a smaller digit is added, then it will be placed to the right of the larger digit, then the smaller digit will be added. Then the second one is if the smaller digit is placed left side of the larger digit, then that smaller digit will be subtracted from the larger digit. That is the second rule. And then the third rule is If a smaller digit is placed between two larger digits, then that smaller digit is to be subtracted from the right sided larger digit, and then only we will have to add. Okay, this is another rule. And rule number 4 will be V, L and D are never to be repeated. This V we cannot write, L, we cannot write D. Okay, these all will not repeated. Only I will repeat, X will repeat, is it? C will repeat, M will repeat, but your V, L and D will never be repeated. Another rule, that is fifth rule, is V, L, D and M never be subtracted. If we write, suppose 45, then we cannot write VL because V cannot be subtracted. So we will have to write 40 and then 5. Is it? That's why 40 and 5 we will write. How it is? It is XLV. We will write XLV. We cannot write 45 as VL, as V cannot be subtracted. Similarly, L, D and M are also never be subtracted. These are the 5 rules. Next is question number 7. Question number 7 is, how many different Roman digits are necessary to write any number less than 40? So any number less than 40, how many digits you will get? Less than 40, we are getting I, V, X. I, V and X. Only 3 digits we need. How many digits we need? 3 digits we need. These are I, V and X to represent any number less than 40. But if you write 40, then we will have to use L. Is it? XL is 40. That's why below 40 we are only using 3 digits, that is I, V and X. Okay. Now my dear, all the remaining questions you will have to do yourself from this exercise, because all of these questions you have already learnt in class 4, 5 and 6. They are very simple and easy questions. I should go to the next exercise where you will get some new concept and new questions to solve. Okay.